Y'all, look what's here. My Mahjong tiles, and I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these to come in for about, I think it's been almost 2 weeks since I placed my order. For those of you that don't know my background, I just started playing Mahjong maybe a month ago, and I'm totally addicted. I love it, and I have just jumped in. If you know me, I kind of jumped into everything that I love with both feet without looking. But I bought these tiles and they just arrived. I know it's kind of an extravagant item, but I don't care. I work really hard, and I just want a pretty set, right? It's all about color and design, Miss Ginger has designs. So let's take a look. I'm dying. I am dying because, of course, I found a set with a flamingo, so I'm dying to see that flamingo. But let's just take a look. Look how nice it's packed. Also, I forgot to mention, it did come with a Mahjong mat, but I'm skipping on to the tiles. But a really nice, beautiful, bright, green, trendy mat. I love it. Very, very cute. Let's get to the good stuff. I want to get to the tiles. I am dying, y'all. Okay, so it's packaged just like this. Darling pink box with white. They have me at the white fluffs. I love white crinkle fluffs. But a nice thank you card. And it tells you how to connect, and they seem like a great company. And what are these? These are shufflers. Oh, so to shuffle your tiles up. Really cute. What does it say? What does it say? Behind every Mahjong winner are 3 women rolling their eyes. Oh my God, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So this is a surprise. I didn't know I was getting this. Cute, cute, cute. What is this? BamLet Mahjong. I guess just a postcard. This is card lover. Oh, this says slide this cute sticker under your clear Mahjong card cover or peel and stick it directly to your card. So I can have a pretty card. Because I'm going to say the cards are pretty plain. Oh, this is beautiful. Look, and it matches the colors. So cute. And then, oh, this is what my tiles are going to look like. Bam, let's Mahjong. So I got the set that looks the most tropical. So look, my dots are going to be seashells. My BAMs are going to be palm trees and flamingos. There's a flamingo. My cracks are the coral. And then my flowers are like pineapple drinks. My winds are news. My dragons. Oh my gosh, look at the cute seahorse dragons. And then jokers. I think those are shrimps, but they kind of look like a zebra. I don't know. Shrimp and golf carts. Oh, golly. Let's look. Oh, my gosh. Here they are in person. Oh, y'all. Y'all. These are stunning. Look how beautiful. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I don't know if I can even open these to play with them. They're so pretty. Okay, where's the flamingo? Where's the flamingo? I love this. Y'all, I'm a pink and orange. If you noticed, half my wardrobe is pink and orange and blue. But look at these. They're beautiful colors. And look at the seahorse. Oh, my gosh. This did not disappoint at all. No, 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 no. So pretty. Get out. Oh, look at the seashells. Look at my dots. So pretty. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. And there it is. There it is. There is the flamingo. This is what sold me on the set. And the BAMs. And look, the seahorses. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so pretty. Oh, and I even got dice. Look at my dice. They're orange. Oh, and the other side, I had a choice. I could either get the tangerine or the yellow. And I really had a hard time because the yellow is kind of sunshiny. But I don't know. I'm really into orange these days, right? And I thought they might show up better, like, I don't know. So let's look at all of them. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open. I'm going to start practicing playing hands. Wait, the flamingos cannot go on the bottom. I'm sorry, they just can't. Oh, y'all, so, so pretty. So if you want more information on this set, I have added to, because Mahjong's my new thing. So I have a section on my website, Miss Ginger Dot's favorite things, or Tina's favorite things, MissGingerDots.com. And it's got some stamping and card making and scrapbooking supplies. But then if you go down, it's like Let's Mahjong. There's a Mahjong section of some of the favorite things that I have picked up so far, with a link to this set. They also have a Christmas set coming out that I'm going to try to talk my husband into buying me for Christmas. But the good thing is I have a link where you can get 10% at BamLet Mahjong. So take a look if you're interested. But so cute. I can't wait to start playing. Let's go play something pretty.